Looking to add a splash of excitement to your child's playtime? Say hello to the Seesaw Junior Deluxe, the perfect blend of joy and vibrant colors. Dynamic design, the Seesaw Junior Deluxe comes in eye-catching blue and red, creating a lively playground atmosphere for your little ones. Safe and sturdy, crafted with precision, our Seesaw ensures a secure playtime experience for kids. The robust construction guarantees durability and long-lasting fun. Perfect measurements, designed with the ideal dimensions for junior adventurers, this Seesaw provides the perfect balance of comfort and thrill. Specially crafted for little ones, our Seesaw encourages active play, helping develop balance and coordination in a safe environment. Versatile entertainment, whether it's in the backyard or playroom, the Seesaw Junior Deluxe transforms any space into a playground full of laughter and giggles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun-filled updates.